Hey guys, welcome back. Forever After Reacts. Today we're going to be checking out Infected Rain, Orphan Soul. This actually brought to my attention probably over 4 weeks ago by Mike Bourne. And yeah, I've been busy, and I mean, I put stuff on my to-do list whenever I get around to it, you know. So finally going to check them out. I actually see that they are signed with Napalm Records now. Same with like Ginger, and I'm sure there's other ones too that aren't coming to my mind right now. So let's get into this song that I've never heard, or the band. So cheers to that. I also see there in the bottom right their logo, Infected Rain, right? Infected Rain, yeah. IR, that's pretty sweet. All these dread rockers remind me of POD, man, old school, blast from the past. Not only is that freaking hard on the throat, but I love the intro to that because it's really like, it sounds really emotional as she's doing this, like she's straining and pushing it so freaking hard, and I like the way it sounds. And I always say this about like songs like this, the way the instrumentals was going with the vocals, like I don't see how people couldn't like it. I know there's a ton of people that don't like screams. Oh, I can't understand what they're saying. Give me a break. But just the way the instrumentals are going with the vocals, like that's perfection in my ears. Like I have no idea what they're saying either, but just the flow of everything that's going together is perfect to me. And like I don't know how people can like listen to at least like that section right there and be like, you know, I don't like that. Don't understand it. I love it. Yeah, so I'm assuming this is the chorus because it's super catchy and it's just so easy just to keep being like, I quit playing the music and my head is still bopping to it. It's too good. end. It's the end. Awesome. Well, I'm upset at myself for taking that long to get introduced to Infected Rain because I did really enjoy that. Instrumentals were nice, vocals were nice, emotional. Because I really didn't mind those screams at all. Cleans were really nice too. She's attractive too, which I mean doesn't hurt. I mean, like it doesn't help, doesn't hurt. You know, it's visually, I guess, it's nice if that's what you're into. There's a 6-song Orphan Soul. I'll definitely be checking out more of their newer stuff. Like I see they have this one, Black Gold. It's almost got 1 million views now. It's almost a year old, or a little over a year. Yeah, I'll be definitely checking out some more Infected Rain. I'm glad you told that to me, Mr. Mike Bourne. Yeah. Sick stuff. Appreciate it big time. I like when you guys request new songs. That way I can check it out. Broaden my horizon. That's what it says in my description because that's the reason I started this channel. Heck yeah, I got my handles in the bottom of the screen. If you guys do check out or hear about a new single that comes out, or if you guys just want to tell me about a new band to check out, that would be a good spot to check it out, or to tell me about it. That way I could check it out sooner rather than later, because I'm not always whenever I work, I don't get on my computer that often, so I stockpile some videos. So yeah, so there might be a couple days where you guys don't hear from me in the comments because I'm working and I'm sleeping. So yeah, there's that. Also, I live stream some video games on Facebook. The link's in the description if you guys want to check that out. If not, no big deal. I appreciate you guys staying this long. I am almost to 100 subs. I'm at 95 at the time I'm recording this video. But at the time I'm recording this video, it's like 2 days later whenever you guys will see it. So I might be there, might not be. If not, help me out, please, you know? Anyways, guys, I am ForeverAfterReacts, a.k.a. Nick, and I hope you guys have a good day.